So let's add some posts. So here is the first post. You will learn how to add the post as well. Here you can see I added the title, post title. Then I'll go to this is the short description. Let's add it. Copy, and short description will be here. Here you can say add annexer. Here we added the short description. So now next we will add this full description. We'll just copy it and we will paste it here. So this is full description. Let's add a feature image. We'll go here. Here is feature image. We added it. Yes, image is added. Let's publish this. So let's see on the front end. Yeah, here you can see this is first post is added. Let's do some more settings just to improve its look and feel little bit, not too much. We are not going to work a lot of work on it. Okay, so still it's not looking so good. So let's do another thing. We'll go here and we will just add Elementor. So still it's not okay. So here we don't have these options. Okay, this is good that we got this issue. So let's fix it. So you will also learn what is the issue and how I fixed it. So let's go back to this default editor, WordPress editor, and here we will have, first thing I'll do it at Elementor full width. So let's see how it looks now. Okay, so now it's looking this way. It's a little bit better, but we need to improve it. So what we will do, we will go here in the Astra options, and from here we will select the normal full width container, but content will be boxed. Here you can see. So here is some more options like full width content and container. So let me show you. There will be not so much difference. Yes, here you can see. And the other option is here. You can save it and it will a little bit compact. Here you can see. So I think this is better if you go with it and refresh the page. Let's do it with Elementor. Here we have, and we will just add here, and from here we will go this dynamic tag and we will post title, and it will automatically call the post title here and publish. So the first post is published. Let's see how it looks on the front end. Yeah, now it is fine. Here I forgot to tell you about one thing, that from here we can add the categories, because category we can use to restrict the content. So first category is the website. We have web development. Okay, just we will click on add. This will be added. After that, mobile apps, add. Then we can add another category, marketing. AI automation. You can add that. I think 4 are enough. We will give it web development. Rest we will remove, and we will save and update. Let's go back. These are still unauthorized, so we can use quick edit option, and from here unauthorized will remove mobile, and then again we will remove unauthorized marketing, and again we will remove unauthorized AI automation, and again remove it, and marketing. I'm just adding these categories. I'm not thinking about their relevancy right now. So here you can see. So categories are also applied